Previously on Gerald.
Now, I was very disappointed. Gerald ran with this vinyl top. This vinyl top was basically just masking tape. Now, I thought the difference between the black and the white vinyl tops were just the color. Maybe the black vinyl top got the texture.
Okay.
And the white vinyl top has no texture. Now, I had ordered a black vinyl top and a white vinyl top. Oh, hey, buddy. Gerald. What? That is your name, right? Anyway, today we're gonna compare these vinyl top kits. Alrighty then. They finally came in the mail. You know, I said I had ordered them. Doo-dah. And okay, so what's the problem? Oh, it's no problem. Well, okay. Especially not the part where you just said previously on Gerald, right? You didn't say anything about Buddy. I see. What happened to Buddy? Okay. Am I part of this show? Wait. So your name is Buddy? Duh. This whole time I thought it was Larry. Larry? Do I look like a Larry? Anyway, maybe a Lawrence. So you see the texture of the white one? Larry, though. Or the lack of texture on the white one. Now let's open up this black one. Now from jump, I could tell that this is a little bit more durable because it's a little heavier. But yep, there you have it. The black one has texture. And it's actually, it's kind of hard to tear too. It's like a plastic or whatever. The white one, it tears just like paper because that's all it is. So yeah, the moral of the story, sometimes there's no moral to the story. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do with what you got to do it with. What? You know what I'm saying? No. Anyway, peace. Yeah, peace. That's not what I'm saying, idiot. What? Idiot. What? Gerald, take this clip out.